Alright, hey guys, I'm in a Mitsubishi Endeavor. The year is a 2008. So you're gonna just pop this panel right off. It even says fuse access right there, so it's very, very easy, just like the Silverados. And then all these three 15s are hot, and then you can clearly see that I put it upwards because that's where the hot is, on that side. And then basically everything here is ignition. All those 7.5s and even that 10 and 20, I believe, are ignition. Then you're just gonna run up this A-pillar. Be very careful with this A-pillar. You can kind of see this one's a little bit, it's a little bit of an older car, so there's some problems, pre-existing problems. But if you take this panel off, it's gonna be pretty hard to pop it back in. I've had this problem before with like some car Toyotas and stuff. When you pop that panel out, it's very hard to get it back in. So I would try to just work around it. If you can pop it maybe a little bit, you can get it in. I popped it all out, and I got the, a good way to go down, but it was kind of hard to put back on. It took me about 10 to 15 minutes to get on perfect again, or just in the way it was before. The headboard is really easy, it goes right there, and then that's the camera. I go right to the center because it is a little bit high. The windshield is a little bit high, so you want the camera a little bit lower, right below the rear view mirror. But yeah, super simple install. I grounded right there. It's a self-tap screw. But other than that, super easy.